because that is not what the hell no blue Kachina is. The Kachina is not a thing. The Kachinas are a group of spiritual beings. Let me repeat that. The Kachina is not a thing. It's not a star. Because first and foremost, we know that stars are not real. We understand cosmically on a spiritual level that stars not exist. Those lights that you see in the sky, and I've taught you this, I've been saying this for 5 man-made years, and I've been teaching this for many, many lifetimes now while being on this planet, that there are no such thing as stars. Those are not stars that you see in the sky. Those balls of light are planets, galaxies, and universes. And every planet, and every galaxy, and every universe has an electromagnetic force field around it. This electromagnetic force field is what is called scientifically. However, in spirituality, it's known as an aura. Right? So every planet has an aura, just like you. You have an aura because every planet and every galaxy and every universe is alive. Okay? Just like your body is alive. So this is why you see all those lights in the sky. But once again, they have been lying to you about your history, about your planet, and about your origin. So they have to tell you, they can't hide you seeing those planets and those universes and galaxies in the sky. Keep in mind, they already taught us in school that it's only 7 to 9 planets and we all going around one sun. So you look up in the sky and if they told you that it was all planets and all them damn stars you see, you're going to be like, damn, that's a whole lot of planets. That's a whole lot of life. So they made you think that the sky was just dead. It's full of balls of gas. And those balls of gas are called stars. That's another lie. The ancestors, we place life all throughout the planet, all throughout the galaxy, all throughout the universe. Down to the very planets themselves are alive. She has a heartbeat. She has cells. She has electrons, protons, neurons, and neutrons. She has atoms. She has a spine. She has chakras. She has a brain. She has intestines. She has veins. She has arteries. She even has her version of bones. This is why it's metals all throughout the planet. Right? So, when they're telling you that the blue Kachina is a prophecy, right, by the Hopi tribe, that in the end of days you will see this blue star in the sky, and it will be a symbol to let you know that the end of days are near. It's a lie. Okay? The truth is that Kachinas are a spiritual family, one of many spiritual families, just like Orishas are. And you have many, many different spiritual families that I will expound upon later in my book and in live lectures. But I'm just talking about the Kachinas right now. The Kachinas are actual spiritual beings. They are a spiritual family. They are not gods. We are gods. They are spirits. It's a difference. They are a spiritual family, right? And within the spiritual family, you have, remember, the war broke out in heaven. So when the war broke out, like I say, in the Bible or in religion, they make you believe that when this war broke out in the heavens, the cosmos, that the only people that left was Zeus, aka Satan, was the angels. And that's not true. I told you, Zeus is a god. He took gods with him. He took angels with him. He took titans with him. Right? He took spirits with him. This is where you get evil spirits from. Because before they was evil spirits, they was good spirits. They used to be spiritual guides. But then a lot of spirit guides left with him too. So these spirit guides became evil spirit guides. This is why today you still got your good spirit guide, but you got your evil one now. Right? This is why they showed you remember the cartoons where they show you the angel on the right shoulder and then the devil on the left? That's true. You got your good spiritual guide on the right side of you, like, hey, this is what you should do. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do this. Then you got the negative spirit, the evil spirit is a spirit guide telling you the opposite thing to do. Right? Because it's a fight for your soul. The fight is for your soul. The fight is for your frequency level to stay low enough for them to
You have 1 minute left.
To stay low enough for them to feed off of you. Because they can't go back up into the cosmos to get that vibration, to get that ashe, to get that pure cosmic vibratory energy. They stuck here. So how do they eat? How do Zeus and the fallen eat? Because remember, cosmically, we are spirits and souls. We are gods. We are cosmic. We are divine beings. We are non-ether beings. We are luminous beings. So we feed off electricity. We feed off pure energy. We are pure energy. So the fallen can't get the energy. They have to get it through us. This is why everything they do in this reality is to drain you of that energy. They even make you come back here, reincarnate, right? Through the moonlight, so they can keep feeding off of you. Feeding off of your frequency. You with me? I'm going to let that sink in before I continue. Let that sink in.
Thank you for using Securus.